ever sa operation ng AFP na Marines or any member of the armed forces na branch would be assigned to a security detail for a congressman or any na politiko. Apart of course sa PSG.
Well, in the past, no, may mga ganitong instances tayo. By law, meron kasing certain personalities that are entitled to security detail. Tapos ito ngang Presidential Security Command natin, AFP talaga ito, no? So kung ano man ang what is deemed necessary for us to perform detail to certain personalities, that would be depending on kung ano yung kung ano yung entitlements ng individual.
Pero yung mga Zaldico, let's say he's a member of Congress, is there any instance na would justify na ang armed forces ang magpapadala ng detail para sa kanya?
Hindi, no, sa mga Congress, hindi. Sa ngayon, ang Presidential Security Command natin, we perform security detail to the President, to the Vice President, and to the First Family.
Oh, yung mga congressman walang gano'n.
Hindi.
So I'm going back to the 18. Nung time na siguro, totoo mang naging security detail sila ni Congressman Saldico, retired na sila, no?
Yes, ang mga retired nga, as I said, they act on their personal capacity. So they are no longer under the purview of the Armed Forces of the Philippines.